Today we'll stir-fry broccoli and potatoes with my new bought mala paste. Broccoli has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antibacterial, metabolic disorder, regulation, neuroprotective and renal protective effects. Potato has the functions of strengthening the spleen and removing dampness, detoxifying, and anti-inflammation, lowering blood sugar and lipids, promoting blood circulation and reducing swelling benefit. Broccoli, potato, Sichuan Mala Paste, onion peel of skin and sliced. Sliced potato. Potato mix with cooking oil, air fried at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Break broccoli into floret. Heat oil. Stir-fry onion until translucent. Add broccoli. Add 3 tablespoons water to cook broccoli. 1 tablespoon Sichuan Mala Paste. Add potato slices. Season with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Stir fry for another 30 seconds. Plate it. Stir-fry broccoli and potsto slices with Sichuan Mala Paste is done. The flavors of potatoes, broccoli, and spicy sauce blend together. You can enjoy the slightly spicy and salty flavor, which is really good with the meal. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.